Spigot or hose bib. It doesn't matter what you call it, but this little device on the side of your house needs a little bit of TLC before winter sets in and before freezing temperatures cause you serious water damage inside the house. So let's review how to put this puppy to bed, but make sure that you subscribe, because what I do here at HipChicks is try to bring you very practical, doable, and money-saving DIY tips, from maintenance to repair projects. Making you a smart, capable, and confident homeowner is what I'm all about. And if you want to know more about HipChicks, make sure that you hit the link up above so that you can subscribe to our newsletter and stay in touch so you can learn about the programs that I offer, my mentoring course, and some of my free homeowner hangouts that I do every month. Step one is to disconnect your hose. And when you disconnect your hose, you also want to inspect and make sure that you look around to see if there's any gaps or cracks where the hose bib connects to the inside of the house. If you have gaps and cracks, make sure that you caulk. And don't forget to check out my Caulk Basics playlist for everything you want to know about caulking outside, inside, and the bathtub. If you find you have a lot of mineral deposit buildup, clean this with some vinegar on a toothbrush and rinse it with water before you store it. Garden hoses are not cheap, and you want to make sure that your hose will be usable again next year. So take it off of your hose rack on the side of the house, drain all of the water out, and then be sure to roll it up and store it either in your garage or your shed. Next, you need to head inside the house and find your water shutoff valve for the outside hose bib. Keep in mind, if you have a finished basement, it could be behind an access panel, and hopefully your builder left you a panel that you can get to it. Otherwise, it may be in the rafters in the basement ceiling. Then come back outside and drain any excess water that could be in the line before we cover it. The last step is to put a cover over your hose bib. There are two options. One is a soft cover, but I much prefer this little hard top guy. It comes with a foam sealer around the bottom, and it's hard plastic with a foam inside. And it has a little hook that you can use to connect onto the hose bib, and then you pull the little drawstring. This is about $6 or less and takes literally just a moment to install. And this will help the snow and ice from getting inside the hose bib area and causing any freezing or damage. So how simple is that? Now my hose bibs are ready for winter, and I cannot worry about water ending up on the inside, ruining my basement. And here's a last minute bonus tip. If you found that interior hose bib does not want to shut off, get some CLR or vinegar and an old toothbrush and scrub the valve before you try to open it so that you can break any of the mineral buildup that has collected. So make sure you subscribe, because at HipChicks we're all about saving you money, stress, and time.